Hello everyone and welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. My name is Poonam and I'm a Microsoft certified educator. In this another episode today I'm going to train you on the coding. Yes, obviously. I'm going to train you on turning on the LED with coding, and today we are going to use Chibi chip for that. Now for those people who do not know what exactly is the Chibi chip, it's a microcontroller board programmable cable which has a USB port, and along with that it has an audio port as well. So what exactly we will be doing is I'm going to take you to the platform where exactly we will be practicing a live demo of it. And plus, once you people have created this code, and once the coding is ready for turning on of the LED, you people will go ahead and you can download or upload this particular coding on your Chibi chip also. All right, so let's quickly proceed ahead with that, people. And for that, what I would need you is that everyone whosoever is watching my channel, first of all, you need to open up this website, the website that I'm showing you at this moment right now. So I would be requesting you to go ahead and open up this website, which is https colon 2 forward slash makecode.chibitronics.com and then a forward slash. So once you people will go ahead and once you people will open up this website, this is how the website will look like, people, and this is where I'm going to train you on how you people can turn on off the LED with the help of this particular the platform that we people are using today, that is Chibi chip. And people who are watching my channel for the first time, I have already previously trained you on other platforms as well. For example, I have trained you on Arcade and other platform. I will be attaching towards the end of this video the links for those that is uploads as well. You people can go ahead and watch those videos of mine. So let's quickly proceed ahead with that, people. So once this website you have opened up on your browser, you need to click on new project. So once you people will click on the new project, this is how the thing will look like. And this exactly is going to be the simulator for whatever coding we people are going to create today. Even in regards, if I talk about turning on off the LED also, that's how we people will go ahead. So basically, if I talk about the coding today, because I'm going to take you through a simpler one, and later on in my subsequent sessions that I would be planning up for you, I would be taking you through other things also in this coding. So in this project that we people are going to create today, we are going to turn on off LED, and the platform that we people are going to use for coding today is going to be the Chibi chip. So I will be generating the coding. Once we have generated the coding on the make code platform of Microsoft, then we people are going to upload it, and then you can go ahead and you can upload it on your Chibi chip. Okay, so people, so let's proceed ahead with that. Now in case, let's understand first of all how the coding it works. So as I've already stated, that the project that I'm going to make you go through, and the one that we people are going to utilize today, that I'm going to train you today, that is turn on off the LED. So if I talk about turning on off the LED, that means we need to create a forever loop for that, okay, wherein we will be placing the subsequent blocks for that. So in order to turn on off the LED, what exactly we people are going to do today is we are going to move ahead with the two tabs specifically. One is the lighting tab and another is the control tab, and that is how we people are going today. So we are going to go with this particular block, which is forever loop, and then we people are going to subsequently go for that. And as I've already stated, on the left hand side, people, this is the simulator of the Chibi chip that you people are seeing over here. So first of all, what I have to do is that I need to turn on the light. Okay, so in case if I want to turn on the light, for exactly I have to do is, first of all, I will be pulling up this set, which is set D0. So what exactly people have to do is you have to drag and hold it, and then you will be placing it on this particular block over here. So I need to turn on my LED. So the moment I have placed this particular block on the forever loop, you people can see that now the LED is turned on. I'm hovering my mouse over here onto the left hand side. Okay. Now once this light is turned on, at this particular moment, it is not causing any blinking effect. Okay. So what exactly I would be doing is, now I need to control this light. So for controlling this light, I will be going on to the control tab. I need to go ahead and then I have to pull out this pause block. This pause block, I have to place it right underneath this on block, and I will be adjusting the setting to 1 second, which is exactly equal to 1000 millisecond altogether. Okay, so for this particular moment it has to be pause on. So my on block is there, and then I have adjusted the control for the on also, and now I have to go ahead and put on the off block also. So how exactly we will be doing that? We will be again clicking on the light tab over here. Then I will pull up this particular block which is set D0. I will drag it and I will place it right underneath that, and now I have to turn off. Okay, so my on is there, my pause is there, and then off is also there. So if in case if you see people over here, the change is very for a fraction of second, it is not visible appropriately. So what exactly I'm going to do is I'm going to now again pull out another control tab, which is the pause one. So that means even in case if it is turned off, for how many seconds it's need to be off, you will go ahead and you will do it for 1 second, which is exactly equal to 1000 millisecond. And now you people can see it on your right left hand side that now it is blinking on and off. Okay, so this is how people we create a blinking LED on a chibi chip altogether. This is how you have to pull out the blocks, and we people have used only two blocks today. One is the lights tab and another one is the controlling block that we people have utilized today. So once this particular thing, so now this entire coding is ready, our coding is done. It was the simpler one, as I've stated, that I've chosen it for you. So once this thing is done, what you people have to do is you have to click go ahead. You have to first of all connect your chibi chip with your this particular PC or the computer or the laptop, whichever you people are using. So you will click on the upload tab, and as you can see it is giving you the instructions as well. First of all, you have to plug in the USB cable into your chibi chip. So the USB cable, it needs to be plugged in into the chibi chip also. One end will also go into your computer altogether, and along with that you also need an audio cable into your programming device, which is the chibi chip also, and along with that the computer also. And as if it stated that on the chibi chip people, you will see a programming button which you have to press hold. Okay, and you have to press and hold the prog button until the prog light it becomes a steady red in color. So once it is done, once you have connected the cable, once you have pressed the programming button, the prog button actually, and once the light it becomes steady red, then exactly you people will go ahead and you will click on this ready device over here. I will not click at this moment because I have not connected the chibi chip to my computer at this moment. So you will go ahead, you will click on it, and then obviously the two devices, they are going to be in sync, and your chibi chip will start flashing the lights all together. I hope that you enjoyed today's session, and now I would request you people to go ahead, start practicing the things that I have trained you today. And those viewers who are watching my channel for the first time and who have not subscribed to Cherub Teaching Center yet, I would request you to please quickly go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things which are coming up your way. And in case of any queries, you can always approach me on my Instagram ID, which is cherub.teaching.center. You can also approach me on my Facebook ID, which is Cherub Teaching Center, or on Microsoft Teams, which is Cherubians altogether. And the link of all these three social networking platforms you will also find attached in the video description also. So that was all people which was designed for you today. Go ahead, practice yourself and practice multiple times till you people become a master of it in order to do coding altogether. So thank you so much people, and have a nice day ahead.